Do you want your new toy, Punkee? Want this? You want Angry Bird? Do you want it? You do? Tell me. Okay, here. Alright, see what it does. What is that, Punkee? Is he laughing at you? Punkee, you like that? Hey, you like that? Punkee. Make it laugh again. Yes, bud, your chicken does whatever. Make it laugh, Punkee. Here. There. He sounds like Woody Woodpecker, don't he, Punkee? What do you got, bud? Do you have a chicken? Bud, your chicken sounds like it's sad. Buddy, look here. Look here, bud. Treat your chicken nice. Oh, you like your toy, Punkee? I'm glad. Yeah, don't tear it up. You be nice to your new toy.